What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing all of you this 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. This car's got a 454 big block Chevy paired to a turbo 400 transmission. Out back, you got your 12-bolt rear axle. It's got dual exhaust, everything you'd ever need. Nice little cam in there, as you could have heard when it was started up. Just a nice little weekend warrior is what I would call it. Paint shines great. Everything lines up pretty well. Inside, the interior is pretty stock, with the exception of a few gauges and a shifter. You got your B&M shifter, some gauges, a tack. This was an original AC car. Doesn't have the compressor anymore, but it was, in fact, an AC car from factory. You got your aftermarket radio that works. The Chevrolet emblem embossed in the seats. Kind of a cool design there. Your headliner in good shape. Interior's in generally pretty good shape. Door closes nicely. You got some aftermarket wheels. They look pretty nice on there. Kind of gives the car a mean look. It's got a mean stance. You got an aftermarket cowl hood on there. Nothing too crazy, but again, adds to the look. Here you got the 454. Got your little stuff done to it. It's got a cam. Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake manifold, some headers. Holley carburetor. Pretty fun car. MSD ignition system. All that good stuff. Close this hood for you. We'll move on to the trunk. As you can see, your trunk, nothing in there. No fuel cell or anything. This car still retains its stock fuel tank. All solid. You got an amp, Alpine amp in there. As you can see, this car's got the stripes going on. Very simplistic, but overall looks really nice. It's pretty stock appearing, but it's got enough work done to it to where it's unique in its own way. Got your SS badges on the side of the fender. Pretty simple car, but very, very cool. Sounds great, drives great. I'm a personal fan of this one. Plus that split bumper at front end, very iconic. This car is located in our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, along with around 250 other cars of ours. It's just one of our warehouses here. You can see more photos of this car on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow our social medias. We have great financing with great monthly payments for these classic cars. Shipping all over the United States. And if you'd like to reach out, if you're interested in this 1970 Camaro, you can call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. Hope to see all of you at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, checking out this 1970 Camaro. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.